welcome to Havilah Elsha kitchen. Let me first wish everyone a very happy Mother's Day. Today I came up with a dessert recipe, carrot halwa or gajar ka halwa. You can prepare this and serve to your mother on this special day. Okay, let's get started. Take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Now add finely crushed cashew nuts and roast them and then keep them aside. In the same pan, add grated carrot, two tablespoons of ghee and fry till the raw smell goes off from the carrot. Okay, now add 2 cups of milk and mix well. Once it is nicely mixed, now add 1 cup of water and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, now add 1 cup of sugar and mix well. And cook for 10 minutes in a low flame. Yeah, you can see the consistency. Okay, now add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Mix it well and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add cardamom powder. Okay, now again add 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix it well. And then add roasted cashew nuts. Once you find halwa is not getting stick to the pan, it means your halwa is ready. Now transfer it to the serving bowl. That's all, your yummy carrot and gajar ka halwa is ready to serve. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havilah Elsha Kitchen. Thank you. Bye-bye. For ingredients, kindly check the description box.